Alright, what's up y'all? It's your girl Bianca J, and today I'm going to show you the illustration process of making a picture book. Now, before we get started, this is my way, not the way. Do what makes sounds and feels good to you. This is just my way. But as I work on my newest project, I want to give you an insider's preview of what it looks like when I am working on the illustrations for a picture book. Let's get into it. So this is my drawing table, or my desk. And so you see some drawings in progress, as well as some paintings in progress. And these are the ones that we're thinking about keeping so far. This is my protagonist. His name is Jerry the Giraffe. And then these are some of the paintings. Some of them still need to be completed, but overall, this is what we're working with this go round. I really love this one the best. It has so much detail already. But for every painting that we do, there are so many that we don't keep. Alright, so our goal today, while we're doing our illustrations, is to take a failed sketch. Where is it? This one, which was decent, but we also forgot his horns, and we can do better. So we're gonna take a failed sketch and turn it into a finalized illustration. And yeah, are we focused? All right, let's begin. our sketch, which is basically this. Previously, you saw it. And we're gonna move on to painting. And funny, people think I might work with like a huge paint kit and use all these like fancy colors. And I do use one of the best brands out, which is the Winsor & Newton watercolor brand. And I also use the Polar Flow brushes, but I don't use a huge kit. So I have 8 brushes, and then I'm gonna show you like how small my kit is. Like it's a mess, y'all. But this is how small my paint kit is, and it's just like literally all of this. And then this is where I have like them pre-mixed colors, and up there is some pre-mixed colors, because of course it's paint, so you don't have to have black, you can make black. You don't have to have gray, you can make gray. And your girl ain't who buying all that stuff? Who? And not me. We finna make it. Okay? So now I'm gonna give you another zoomed in view, and we're gonna make, well, we're gonna try to paint this thing on camera, and you get to watch the process. Let's go.